Hello, today I'm going to work on the Blue Max Racing 1983 Pontiac LeMans driven by Tim Richmond from Salvinos JR models. So I'm building this for their display when they go to the show in Vegas. So I'm going to do this one a little bit different because I've done quite a few build-ups of like the 80s GM monogram. I'm not gonna do step by step on this. I'll probably what I'm gonna do first is like a I don't know, like a quick unboxing, I guess, and then when I come back, it'll be the completed chassis, and then we'll do body stuff. So it is a little bit different. So let me quick get this unboxed for you. Alright, there's the LeMans body. Just a little bit of cleanup to do. I already took the piece out of there. So this is the LeMans pieces. So it's the nose, the headlight pieces with the grills, rear bumper, spoiler, and hood. Tires. This is just your normal Pontiac Grand Prix stuff. This one's stuck in there. So, you know, the roll cages. There's a Grand Prix hood. So, if you need an extra Grand Prix hood, just go ahead and get one of these. You can get an extra nose and front and rear bumper. There's the other part of the chassis. Engine pieces. Here's all your chrome, so you can get a chrome Grand Prix grill as well. And then I don't know where. Alright, good thing I've got another one of these because I'm gonna need to rob the glass out of it because I don't see the glass here. So anyways, instruction sheets with decals. So there's that. Like I said, when I come back, I'll have basically the chassis done. It's going to be like the dark red. So I'm going to do basically gray primer with Italian red over the top. It'll give it that dark red color. Same thing I'm going to do with the body. So, alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the chassis complete. Painted, all put together, ready to go, ready to put the body on. There's the underneath side. Everything went together smooth like it always does. Oops. And yeah, so also on the body, I've painted it. I put the grills in, windshield, and I put the gold stripe on already. So it's ready to go on. The only other thing I got to do is put the trunk pins in and then paint the gas door along with the decals. So let me get this all set in there. Oh, I will tell you this. So just kind of test fitting it on the chassis before I even painted it. I sanded these little tabs down where the rear bumper hooks up. Gives you a little bit better clearance there, so it isn't so tough to put on. And just by test fitting it, looks like it's going to be okay. So let me get the body on. I'll put decals on, and then I'll be back to show you the finished product. Thank you. Alright, here it is. It's all finished up. Got all the decals on. Everything's looking real nice. The body's on there great. I'm going to do some still shots at the end of everything. But yeah, it went together good. It's a good kit. No issues with the body other than those tabs I was showing you earlier. So I'm going to get it packed up and send it out to the guys at Salvinos so they can put it on display whenever they go to shows. So thank you all for watching and have a good one.